Last night, I'd actually ran out of my homemade dishwashing fluid soap. Well, I figured there was a better way to make these things at home. I do my homemade laundry detergent, which I will do something on that eventually. And I'm also going to do today, I'm going to show you how I make my all natural dishwashing liquid. I'm going to go through the steps and give you a link to where I found this information right now. DIY. I have tried this different ways with the different detergents, but I'm going to go kind of basically with this. And my cat keeps on staring at me. Ooh, counting me down. If I turn the camera, you can see him. Dun, dun, dun. Six! The man of the frontier. He always follows me around. Tick, 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 tick. Bing, bing. There he is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, back to me again. Ooh, almost got us. Maybe the way. There you go. That's all I know. Sounds good to me. Look at that puppy. You're going to need a blender. Have your blender out. You need a pan, strainer, a spoon. I'm doing about 4 lemons. It asks for medium lemons, but these, so I threw in an extra one. You're going to need your distilled vinegar. You are going to need to start off with a 1.5 cups of water. That is for your boiling, and your kosher salt. I'm not going to add anything else to this, but let's do a quick snapshot of what you need. Okay, we're going to try this again. Alright, 4 lemons. I saw a sticker on one of these. Oh yeah, take your stickers off. Done that before. Maybe. Oh, crap. I've used it a couple times. Okay. Let's get to cutting up your lemons. I'm just going to go ahead and wedge it. Do not peel these. And we're going to try to get these seeds out. This is kind of a long process. Okay. All right. Like I said, it's in the pan. I'm going to come over here, and you're going to put your 1.5 cups of water in the pot. And you are going to go ahead and get this. It's a 1.5 cups. Start to, boil it up. I'm just going to put this on maybe, I'm going to put it on between 7 and 8. I want it to boil and cook, but not, burn. So you're going to just kind of walk away for a little bit. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. But I'm going to keep the camera on it from the laptop so you can see what it looks like. Make sure that you come back every once in a while, check on it, stir it if you feel you need to, and then we are going to go from there. I shut off the heat from the oven, and now you got a shot of the blender. We are going to put everything, all the contents from the pan into the blender, and also 2 cups of water. Alright, you guys, hopefully you're going to be able to see what I'm doing a little bit better, and I'll fast forward through a lot of this. It does take some time. So, let me see if I can do this with my other hand real quick. Just go ahead and slowly start pulling this in. You don't have to do all at once. And this, the good juices, see, it's flowing down, but it's keeping the chunks out. And you are going to work out that liquid in just a minute. You will have a lot of pulp left over, and with that pulp, all you do is go ahead and throw that away, and I'll show you. So let's do a quick look at this so you can see visually. Okay, there you go. See how it's full? Let me do this again so you can see it better. The drippings are going off into the pan, and that's what you want. And pour a little bit more in here. Don't want to do too much because it might overflow. I think it can take it. There we go. Okay, so you're done with the blender, and let's start working this through. So you're just going to throw this away. Take one more look here. All this pulp, we're just going to go ahead and throw it away, and this is what you're left with. A nice creamy mixture, but we are not done yet. Like I said before, you have this creamy goodness here. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat back on now. I learned not to have it quite as high because I've actually unintentionally burned a batch. You still need to let this boil. It's going to be another 15 minutes till this is done. You are going to go ahead and grab your half cup of vinegar. I have it prepared. Should have had it over there by now. Put that in. Easy peasy. And then you're going to grab your cup of kosher salt. Not regular salt, kosher. It's supposed to help get some of those grits and grimes off your dishes. Now, you're just going to go ahead and stir this in. This is going to start boiling. They say another 10 to 15 minutes. You want that salt to dissolve and that vinegar to mix in. Like so. And let us just go ahead and watch this. I'm going to set my timer on the microwave back on. I'm going to try 10 minutes and then let's see what it looks like after that. Pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and take this off the heating element, and then I'm going to tell you what to do next. Ooh, shut off your heating element. I've done that before as well. My bad, my bad, my bad. Let me go ahead and stop the laptop real quick. Just go ahead and take this over, and you're just going to keep it in a mason jar. It's really hot. And they say that you can put in other things like a squeeze bottle, but I don't know. I don't trust plastic. I got a little. Yeah, I all made it in. Nice. Let this sit and cool. After set room temperature, you want to put it in your refrigerator. Since it does have, lemons in it, it's a food product, so it will last for a good 3 weeks in there. I'm going to do a load of dishes later, and then I'm going to tell you how it turns out. I've done this about 4 to 5 weeks, not weeks, months. I've been doing this for a little while now. I will stipulate that if you have pans that have something really stuck on it, it doesn't seem to clean it that well. Or like burnt cheese. I don't know about oatmeal because we don't eat oatmeal, but somebody said oatmeal doesn't come off too good. Eggs, I've found a hard time if I've done scrambled eggs, but it's excellent for your glasses, coffee cups, plates, and silverware of that sort. I do tend to watch it to make sure every once in a while something doesn't come off, but that's the same with regular dishwashing anyway. But with this, at least you know it's natural. It's not going to hurt your animals or your kids or anybody if they accidentally get into it. And it's better for the environment. And all in all, it is cheaper for you. Even though, it might take you an hour out of your day to do this or a weekend. It's well worth the money. So I will get back to you. Alright, so it is cooled off. I have a load of dishes, as you can see.
What we're going to do is really simple, is fill up. Oops, close up. It's going to hit start.
Come on.
And so here we will check up on
not look pretty, but we all have messy kitchens. That's just the way it rolls around here, right? See you on the flip side, dudes.
Yeah, editing. I know it's more than quiet right now, but this is what I've been dealing with all day. First he hides my chair, then he does the printer, then he's...